I'm sure you're thinking it. Will Flodesk work with my Squarespace website? It definitely does, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how that actually works. If you decide to make the switch, make sure you click on the link in my description to get 50% off and lock in for the beta rate of $19 a month, no matter how big your list becomes. Without further ado, let's hop in. Marketing is a powerful tool that you can use to market your business to your target market. And in the past, one of my frustrations with email marketing softwares was that my images did not look good once I went to design my emails. This is one of the main reasons why I switched from my previous provider to Flodesk, is I specialize in creating stock photos that feature African American models, and I need those emails to look beautiful. But you can't just focus on the emails that you're going to deliver. You need to make it easy for people to sign up for your list and to have a reason to be on your list. So when I rebuilt my website for I4Ebony, I wanted to incorporate Flodesk forms within the design to help me to build my list. I also wanted to create a landing page for my Instagram subscribers to make it easy for them to get on my list. And so in this particular video, I'm going to show you how I use the ribbon form and how I use the full page form to grow my list for I4Ebony. There are tons of form designs that you can choose from, but those are the ones that we're going to focus on in this video. So the ribbon form is seen on my website in a few different places. On the home page, it's right here on the header. And what I love about Flodesk is I was able to actually choose the exact same color of my page background for the background of the form. So the form is super narrow, super sleek. I could choose fonts that matched my branding, and so it integrates beautifully within the homepage design. So that's one spot where you'll see a ribbon. When I go to modeling, it's important to me that my models sign up for an email list. Yes, I use Facebook to communicate with them, but I also want the ability to email them because sometimes people don't see what's posted in a Facebook group. So on the model page, again, I have a way for them to sign up and join my model email list. Then I created a landing page so that my Instagram followers could join my email list simply. And that's when I utilized the full page form option. So within my I4Ebony Squarespace website, I created a simple landing page to emulate the look and feel of a link tree to drive traffic to my main calls to action. Shoot us an email, get headshots, brand photos, or custom stock. Model for I4Ebony, shop our bundles, or get the 27 free stock photos. And when my Instagram subscribers go to i4ebony.com/Instagram and they click this button, it redirects them to a Flodesk full page form. And I love this because when it resizes for your cell phone, it only shows this area here. So it's very simple to type in your first name, email address, hit download images, and immediately get your freebie. So if you want to create a freebie on the go, you've got something coming up and you quickly need to throw up a one-page PDF or a maybe it's a free webinar, whatever it is that you want to promote to grow your list, the full page forms allow you to do that, and you can easily link to them using a Squarespace button. Now, there are a couple of hacks that I learned when I decided to incorporate Flodesk forms into my Squarespace site. And so I want to show you some things that I kind of learned the hard way. So the way that Flodesk incorporates its forms on Squarespace is by using two different JavaScript codes. One goes into the head tag of the page, and the other goes where you want the form to be located. So when I started building my website for I4Ebony, I was copying this code onto every single page, which in my case became pretty tedious because I utilize index pages for a lot of my website. So it actually was multiple pages stitched together. So if you have designed your Squarespace site like this, you have tons of index pages, and so adding this code to every single section would take some time. Here is a little hack that I found. So all you need to do is go to the home settings and click on settings, then click on advanced, and then click on code injection. And my friends, if you type that code from Flodesk here in the header section, it automatically goes into the head tag of every page on your website. Praise the Lamb. So you don't have to worry about that code for your pages. All you need to worry about is where do I want the code to be? And so when you decide where on your page you want the code to be, all you do is add a simple code block and type in that second code that you find here. So that saved me a ton of time, and I realized after a while, I'm like, man, there's got to be an easier way to do this. There's your easy way. So you're going to find it under the advanced section and click on code injection, and that is going to pull up this area. Now, the other thing I realized, again, because I was using, these indexes to try to give a very WordPress look and feel to my site design, is that I also had the issue of sometimes my forms just disappearing. Sometimes they just wouldn't load. And I'm like, man, why is it that sometimes my forms don't appear? Well, friends, if you go to design and you happen to be using the Brine template in particular, if you have Ajax loading selected, that is going to impact your forms appearing on a regular basis. So all you need to do to make sure that your forms are always there, just unclick that and hit save. It's literally that simple. So if you've been running into that issue, that is a quick and easy way for you to work around it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to the main landing page that people get to if they type on the announcement bar, which is typically how people get to my free offer. And so I make sure that this free offer is all over the website. You can get there using this, you can get there using that Flodesk full page, or you can click on the bar at the top, which is what most people do, and they get to this page. It tells them what the free stock photos are. It has another form, and you see I changed the styling to work better on a white background. And then I show them all the images that they get if they just give me their name and email address. And I'm telling you, I've gotten so many opt-ins for my list by showing them what they're going to get. So make sure that if you integrate codes in your Squarespace site for Flodesk forms, you also show people within your graphics what they're going to get if they give you that name and email. So I hope you found this video useful. These are some tricks that you can utilize to help you to integrate Flodesk into your Squarespace site to take it to the next level. If you need help with Squarespace, you can always reach out to me. The name of my business is About 90 Marketing. I help to build websites in 90 days or less. I love making over brands, so if you hate your site, let me know. I'll hook you up. Otherwise, make sure you click on that link in my description to get 50% off Flodesk. Instead of paying the $38, you can pay $19 with my link, and you can try it out for free for 30 days. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel because I teach you how to grow your biz without breaking the bank. Until next time, ta-ta for now. When they hit submit, they're redirected to a Squarespace cover page where they can click on download your 27 images or get more Eye for Ebony photos. This is my Flodesk Squarespace strategy. On Fridays, I send them an email where they can download a free image, which is a sample from a paid bundle, and that's how I market my paid photos.